Take a moment and find a comfortable position, allowing your body to settle and your breath to slow. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. In this meditation, you will be guided to cultivate loving kindness toward yourself, offering the same warmth, care, and compassion to yourself that you would to a dear friend. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs and expanding your heart space. Exhale gently, releasing any tension or heaviness. Once again, a deep inhale and slow exhale. With each inhale, imagine drawing in kindness and gentleness. With each exhale, letting go of self-judgment and stress. Feel your breath as a wave flowing in and out, soothing and softening your body with each cycle. In and out, releasing and letting go even deeper yet. Now bringing your awareness to your heart, imagine a soft, warm light glowing there. This light represents love, compassion, and care. Now silently repeat to yourself, I am worthy of love and kindness. I offer myself the same compassion I give to others. I am enough just as I am. If self-criticism arises, do not resist it. Instead, acknowledge it with gentleness. Imagine it wrapping in that warm light and allowing it to soften and dissolve, replacing it with self-acceptance, with unconditional love and kindness. Let that light flow over you, wrapping your entire body at this time. That light feels like a warm hug, embracing you fully. Now I'd like you to imagine yourself as you would a dear friend. See yourself as a child full of innocence and light. Now extend kindness towards this version of yourself, sending love and care with these affirmations. I am happy. I am healthy and at peace. I am free. I am loved and supported. Breathe in these words, allowing them to sink deeply into your heart. Feel the energy of these affirmations of happiness, health, peace, freedom, love, and support flowing through every cell in your body. Now I invite you to place your hand gently over your heart. Feel its warmth. Let this be a reminder that you are here, you are loved, and you are enough. And once again, imagine wrapping yourself in that soft golden light of unconditional love and acceptance. And just sit here for a few moments, resting in this feeling of kindness, love, and peace. And when you are ready, Take one more deep, nourishing breath. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this loving energy with you throughout the rest of your day.